going on?
This is just really sunny, so I was trying to get some shade.
Do you want a hat?
No, thank you.
Okay. What's first on our adventure list for today? We've already had our epic barbecue. What's that?
Yeah.
And we played acorn chess.
Oh, it was coin chess.
Oh, interesting.
Chestnut chess.
Chestnut chess.
Chestnut checkers.
Oh, chestnut checkers.
It was checkers.
Boy, I was way off. Pond is looking gorgeous today, right, Levy?
Yeah, can't wait to go on a boat ride.
Yeah, we're gonna go on a boat ride.
Good day on my walking stick, which has very good things that can go and use.
Yeah, it's very useful, right? Yeah, you hit that tree.
And then some, I don't know, magic sparkles or whatever.
Oh wait, it's a magic wand too?
No.
No.
It's just a stick. Staff, kind of.
Let's have a peaceful time, buddy, okay? Let's sit
That's a
down.
new one. Ooh, look at the fish. You know what? This grass that I just kind of knocked over was really knocked over.
Really?
Yeah, look at all this. That's a path right into the pond.
Oh boy.
That's the right where the bear came in last time.
Alright, well let's note the spot. Let's see what the camera has to say.
Well, let's see what I have to say.
Look at all those little fish.
Yeah, aren't they cute?
Yeah. Watch,
But
you're
right-
gonna hit people with that stick.
But right, sweetie, look at all this
Yeah.
crunched. That's not really a deer.
No, but
Unless they were, yeah, it looks like it went in, whatever it was.
Yeah.
Hey,
But you know what? I think it might be right outside the camera.
look, here's a clue here. I think I see a footprint. It looks pretty much like a deer.
Oh yeah, there's something there. What do you think, Daddy? There's a footprint. Don't step on the footprint.
Alright, so it's right. See it?
Yeah, I don't really see it. It looks like a kind of...
I think it is a horse or a deer.
A horse? Thank you. Do you hear it? It's trying to talk to us. Here she goes. Way now.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Oh, that was good.
Yeah, it's about like firm.
I'm part of a conversation. What's that?
Mommy, did you show it off to the...
Why don't you show it off, bud?
So this is an interesting instrument that can call birds. So this is how I do it. So that's this little instrument. One little thing can make so much good stuff.
Dun dun dun.
Ta-da.
The more you know.
I whistle it.
Good job, Ab. Some more activity on this log.
Yeah, they do my day-to-day activity. Who's
My
that
day-to-day activity.
voice? Who's
Here's
that
to
voice?
eat that log.
Well, how about to you? hello to you.
All the birds are talking today.
Yeah. Sounds like mostly crows.
Sure.
We just have to be left behind.
Of course. Oh, look at the wildflowers. It's so pretty down there. Do you see it?
Yeah, there's one tall.
There's a lot of wildflowers.
You can barely walk, kind of. Do it, kind of. That's what I
But there's
do.
still a good trail for us.
Thanks to the deer and bears and foxes and all those weird animals.
Coyotes.
Coyotes. I forgot about coyotes.
Oh, some big butterflies just came from here.
It's getting so hot.
I know, it's pretty hot in the sun today.
Want to get into our picnic spot for a moment?
Sure.
There's a little stuff that we see.
Just be careful of poison ivy. Let me check the tree first. Looks pretty good.
Can't you see? Daddy, come.
We're taking a little rest from the sun.
You would see the
Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah. Red-tailed hawk. Look at how the deer have chewed that little bush down to nothing.
Nothing. And do you see the poison ivy along this
Yep.
guy? That's why I was just showing Abby. I think this one's okay, but we gotta be really careful around here. There's lots of poison ivy.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what we can see. Good job, Abby.
Go back.
That would have been sad.
Want me to hold it?
Yes, please.
All right.
All right, off we go.
I was in front. I was in front, guys. I was in front. Give me a minute.
Just keep going as long as the bell's ring.
Yeah,
There's a beautiful meadow.
it is, Lovey. Beautiful because you're in it.
Oh,
There's a guy who's growing.
Oh, we didn't plant him.
No, he's feral.
yeah. I hear somebody. I think you would want to answer him.
A bird?
Mm-hmm.
You're good at that.
Okay, guys.
Oh, thanks. Ab, you can lead the way, Lovey.
I'll let you lead the way since you're so sweet.
Oh, thank you.
We got a group of sweeties here.
No, after you. Oh, after you.
Hello.
Aren't they so soft?
I love them. Do you think that would make the tree happy?
To be pet? Sure, as long as you don't pull any of them off.
I'm gentle on them.
Yep.
Sorry about that.
But what?
I tripped.
Oh, don't worry, sweetie. Are you okay? Okay, keep your eyes out for creatures.
Magical things can happen in the magical forest.
Exactly.
Should we call this Bear Forest?
Bear forest.
You know,
This is actually the only place that we haven't seen them.
yeah.
Although we see evidence of them.
We haven't seen a bear on auto.
That's true.
So you're right.
Poconos, right?
Thanks, Lovey.
See, the corn is gone.
Buggo.
Tried to take the hat.
This poor hat. Yeah, the corn is fully gone.
It attracted a couple of raccoons at least.
Ooh. You want to hold on to that little friend? Good girl. Okay, let's keep going.
Look at that.
Yeah, we always say it looks like it's wearing a skirt.
Yeah. Some kind of mold.
Yeah. It's nice and cool in the woods today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good job. I don't know what you told them. You told them something.
I said, thanks for visiting
Oh, cool.
and enjoy your time. And if there's a bear, let us know.
Okay, I think they will. There's two birds. One never lies and the other never tells the truth.
Uh-oh.
That's the spider web right here. If you walk the way I just walked, you won't walk through it.
But if we go this way, will we walk through it?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Where can we go?
Right where you're going, up the other way. Around like to the left. Perfect. Daddy's knocking down a tree.
I don't think so. I think it's in too good.
What happened? Did I lose my
It's still in there.
pockets?
It's gonna go eventually. We gotta be careful.
Yeah. Would you like to leave, little one?
Yes, it slowly comes out and I'll be in the middle.
That sounds like a great plan.
What is this? Isn't this weird?
Yeah.
Wind?
I don't know.
Like, why does it break right there? I guess that's break somewhere.
You get tickled by me.
Oh, tickling.
I'll put it somewhere nice and safe. Here. I hope you'll grow. I mean, I do want to have them. So. We're together. I bet you would have been so sad. I think about things too. You know?
A camera right here would be great. In this tree.
Like what kind of? Like a Trailcam?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm with you. See what's passing above the...
Yeah, because this trail is so well worn.
What if you have proximity to Wi-Fi that you could get like a...
I just got email, so yeah.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
I just, because
We
we're,
have like a live thing here.
you can see our cabin down below.
Yeah.
Yeah, so,
One thing.
yeah, that might be something.
You think we can get it live right now?
I don't know. I have Wi-Fi because I just got my email updates, and I don't have any cell service, so we are close enough. All right, little swan, let's go down this trail, Lovey.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dun dun dun.
Like in the Bruce Springsteen song, Born to Run, when it goes down,
Yeah.
the music.
Dun dun dun. It is just like Bruce Springsteen. This is a cool spot.
Yeah. Good spot for a little
This
cat.
one is full comes.
Yeah. This is where the skull comes in, folks.
What do you think that is?
That's why we call it Skull Mountain. I think it's probably a mink
Whoa.
or possum.
Mink. I'm pretty sure mink. Because they're long.
There's kind of like a little structure up there, sweet boy, where some branches are up against the trunk of that tree.
Really?
Yeah. Or like if a bear wanted to have a little huddle.
Alright. Take a look when I get out of here.
Are you stuck? All right, let's go.
Gambled on entering a little. Ugh. Alright. Yeah, I agree.
And this is where we've heard the bear the most.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's reasonable to think it might be on this side of the, and crossing over the ridge, along the ridge to get to that side. There's
Yeah.
more food on that side. Over here, there's nothing. Over there, there's berries. There's all kinds of stuff. Or maybe they don't live near the food source. Yeah.
Yeah.
Near its relative.
Black walnut.
Yeah.
Good job, Ab.
Bugs again.
The bugs are getting you?
Yeah.
This is also a really pretty area, this
Yeah.
clearing where the sun comes through.
It looks like the pine barrens.
Yeah, it does remind me of the Pine Barrens. We have some moss growing.
Cool.
I touched it. Yeah. It's moss, huh?
It is so soft. This is a good stick. If you were looking for sticks, look at that. Yeah, it's a little splintery on the end, but otherwise it's a good one.
I'll take it with me.
Good.
I'll use it. This is where we heard the bear at this step, right?
Yeah, this is where Daddy heard it. But then Abby and I heard it crashing around up here.
Yeah. There's a drop off on the other side of this trail.
Put this right here so that we can remember.
That if it was like it's a good place to kind of get down into, you know?
I understand, yeah. That's off our property line.
Yeah.
But I guess he's not going, oh wait, I don't want to leave.
Right.
Let's put that right there and see what happens if he gets interested, and we'll see the next time it's
Best I
gone.
can tell, this was historically, I think I said it last time, the edge of the farm.
Mm-hmm.
This has been woods
Yeah.
forever.
Well, the person we bought the cabin from did a great job bringing back the woods here.
Yeah, it was actually really helpful.
They did a great job. All of this was clear cut back in like 1950. And they planted most of these trees.
Yeah, there might be some border stuff that's original, but everything else is...
Yeah. And the magical forest is totally theirs.
Yeah. That's why it has this neat rose.
Yeah. And the pond and all the beautiful flowers around the pond. pear trees by the cabin.
They worked real hard.
They worked real hard, right?
Yeah. They are like what we are. They are thinking like the same thing that we were thinking.
Exactly. Like this is a place
Look
that
at
you
that.
just you want to spend your whole life, right, Lovey?
Keep chugging, kids.
We're doing great. I feel like all your working out today with Thomas made it like you're pretty strong for this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I ran around with him. He must be strong. He must be like all over the house.
Oh yeah, right now?
Yeah. Grabbing all the toys in his mouth.
If you don't know that Thomas is a dog, it's a very confusing conversation.
Yes. He's a Sheltie. Yeah. I usually call him Furball.
Nobody calls him Furball.
Yeah.
It's Thomas. Thomas Jefferson or E. Thomas Jefferson. Or Professor Pony.
I'm exercising, man.
I call him Mr. Floofer now.
Mr. Floofer is good. Hey, buddy, could you walk regular? Because you're going to walk into these storm things. Thanks. And you're kind of keeping Mommy from being able to get a groove going.
You can see the little valley down there. Our steep little trail that we're going up. It's the edge of our lot, our second lot. Teamwork.
Makes your butt hurt.
Isn't that trail cam called Wingspan?
Wingscapes.
Huh.
Oh.
Grandma said she thought the name of that camera was Wingspan.
Oh, Grandma. She's wrong.
I'll tell her that tomorrow.
Say Daddy said. You're wrong, Grandma.
You're making some plans with Grandma for tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
In the evening.
Tomorrow evenings?
Yeah. Because on Sundays, in the mornings and stuff, she goes to church. So usually, she's mostly ready in the evening.
Okay.
All right.
So,
Let's giddy up.
let's get up.
Good job, Mama.
Good job, everyone. Can't wait to see what we have got on these.
Yeah. So you start with that scarlet pansy.
Yep. This is where my birding life began.
So where do we turn?
I think you have a little bit more to go, sweet girl. Yes, Lovey? You're not alone, ever.
Where do we turn? Here?
Yep, that looks good. Up, incoming. Whew. Whew.
Good job, you won, Daddy. You won an M&M. Or whatever we have at home.
Somebody's working on this.
Yeah, look how long and straight that is.
This is a good one. See how it has like the little...
Yeah. It might be a little rotten in places, but that would be good for something, for like a low weight-bearing leg, you know?
Yeah, we gotta find something for the
Somebody would have my lunch here.
countertop.
Yeah, you do. I'll show you right up here and chew on that log.
Hi.
Before, while we were eating. Check in there.
That's a good size.
Kaboom. Yeah, right?
Yeah, that's a good size.
Imagine seeing that moment of it right chung.
Yeah.
And imagine seeing this moment.
Ka-chung.
And this. And now. Now the one here.
It's like that's where the deer cross. You see the light coming through?
Yeah.
They cross the street there, I guess.
Dark over.
Like a dead skunk.
What's that?
What?
Wire? Is that a wire?
Oh, what's that, Daddy?
This?
Mm-hmm.
It's a root. It's a root.
Beanie. It's a root. Ow. It's a...
See, it's bark. Some bark has a little pattern that looks like it has lips kissing you. I got a picture of it on my phone. I like to take comic videos, all that. Furball. I miss your furball.
Kaboom. Pretty good size.
Whoa! Are you kidding? Holy moly, look at them! Look at these things! Holy crap! Look at all these!
Yeah, look at them.
Whoa!
Wow.
Those are huge apples? Crab apples? This tree needs help, but it's fruiting. Apples? Crab apples? I think they're apples.
Yeah, they are. Haha.
Wow.
No kidding.
What?
Oh, there's some stuff here.
What?
Little stuff on it.
It's okay. It's a, like, you know,
Bite.
A real apple.
it's a real apple. Let's check on the ground around, see if any more have fallen. And that animals haven't gotten. Because that's why we see deer over here so much.
Yeah, here's a good one. It's that rust. This tree has that rust. You can see it on this apple. Look.
Oh.
So we got to figure out how to treat that.
Okay.
But look at that guy.
He's a great guy.
All right, let's let the rest of them do their thing to the extent they can.
Wow, do you think we can eat these?
Not this year because they have some stuff we're going to try to fix.
Yeah, I'm gonna toss this guy. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. Let's check on this one. This one is little pears.
They all look brown, unfortunately.
Yeah.
I think the rust has spread between the two
That's
of
a
them.
pear, and then over there's an
Something
apple.
there, right?
That's a pear, and over there's an apple.
Yep.
Wow. Apples and pears.
I think
Mamma mia.
I think that makes sense.
Mamma mia.
What you got, Mamma Mia? Whoa.
Humpty Dumpty.
He does look like a little Humpty Dumpty. There's a bunch of pears here, but they're all dried out.
For some reason. Let's go check on those bones. No? Oh, wow, they disappeared. Okay, let's go. Come on. The other way. Go.
That is an apple.
Apple?
Yeah.
Nice.
That's the name of one of the go-go squeezes. Can I smell?
Yeah.
Smells like a big old apple.
It doesn't smell like Granny Smith. Like, you know how they have that, like...
So it might be green as in it's not, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that sour kind of pungent.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like sour punch.
Oh, sour punch. All right. And this is a preview, a sneak peek of the inside of Falling Leaves Cabin. Currently in process, right?
We can do the Olympic like,
Oh, we're putting up pine boards. We have new flooring. We have lots going on. Right now it's snack time.
Baby Olympics.
Baby Olympics.